Welcome to our Surf Excel detergent powder factory. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how Surf Excel washing powder is made.
Okay, looks good. You can proceed.
Large storage tanks hold linear alkbenzene sulfonate, the primary surfactant for Surf Excel detergent powder.
Bulk deliveries of sodium sulfate arrive. Pneumatic systems transfer it to storage silos.
Enzymes like protease, amylase, and lipase arrive in temperature-controlled containers. These break down tough
Bulk bags of zeolite powder, a water softening agent for Surf Excel, are received and stored.
Purified water is pumped into the slurry mixing tank. Flow meters measure precise volumes. The water fills the tank, ready to receive other ingredients.
Primary surfactants are pumped into the mixing tank, blending with water for surfactant powder slurry.
Sodium carbonate and other builder ingredients are added to the Surf Excel slurry. Liquid sodium silicate is added to the Surf Excel slurry. This ingredient prevents removed soil from redepositing.
High-speed agitators thoroughly blend all Surf Excel slurry ingredients. Powerful mixing blades create
Only approved slurry proceeds to the spray drying tower.
Approved Surf Excel slurry is pumped from mixing tanks to the spray drying tower. High-pressure pumps transfer the viscous slurry through insulated pipes.
Hot air at 300 degrees Celsius enters the spray tower, contacting the fine Surf Excel slurry droplets.
Exhaust air from the Surf Excel spray dryer passes through treatment systems before release. Bag filters.
Hot Surf Excel base powder from the spray dryer passes through cooling systems. Fluid bed conveyors.
Cinematic conclusion of Phase 2 as cooled Surf Excel base powder is conveyed toward the post-addition area. Here, heat-sensitive ingredients will be added. Surf Excel base powder from spray drying is fed into large rotating drum mixers. Conveyor systems deliver measured quantities of base powder.
optical brightening agents are added to the Surf Excel powder. These fluorescent compounds are carefully dosed and blended throughout the powder.
The distinctive Surf Excel fragrance is sprayed onto the rotating powder. Atomizing nozzles create
The rotating drum mixer tumbles the Surf Excel powder continuously, ensuring uniform distribution of all added ingredients.
Ribbon blenders for Surf Excel powder. Helical agitators gently mix, preserving enzyme and fragrance integrity.
Antin. Anti-caking agents are added to ensure Surf Excel powder remains free-flowing during storage. Fine Detergent. Quality technicians collect Surf Excel powder samples during blending for testing. Enzyme activity is verified.
Mixing. After thorough mixing, the completed Surf Excel detergent powder is discharged from the blender. Every part
Completed Surf Excel detergent powder is conveyed to storage silos that buffer between production and packaging. The
Perfectly blended with stain-fighting enzymes, whitening brighteners, and our signature fragrance, our Surf Excel detergent powder is now complete.
Surf Excel, ensuring every pack contains the precise labeled weight for a perfect clean.
High-speed check weighers verify every filled Surf Excel pack contains the correct amount of powder. Packs are individually weighed with gram-level precision.
Filled Surf Excel pouches receive top seals that close and separate each pack. Heat sealers create strong, airtight closures that every sealed Surf Excel pack receives inkjet printed production codes, batch numbers, manufacturing date.
Vision systems inspect every Surf Excel pack for quality. Cameras verify seal integrity.
Perfectly packed and securely palletized, our Surf Excel detergent powder now begins its journey to stores nationwide.
Welcome to the Surf Excel Central Quality Laboratory, a world-class testing facility where science ensures excellence.
Laboratory testing verifies enzyme activity in finished Surf Excel detergent powder. Protease, amylase, and lipase activity.
Our advanced spectrophotometers meticulously measure fabric whiteness and brightness post-Surf Excel wash.
Physical testing evaluates Surf Excel powder properties. Bulk density measurement ensures proper pack filling.
Dissolution testing measures how quickly Surf Excel powder dissolves in wash water. Rapid dissolution ensures Surf Excel begins cleaning quickly.
This new formulation has a noticeably stronger residual scent on the fabric.
I agree. The signature freshness is definitely enhanced.
Testing verifies Surfix pack performance. Seal strength testing ensures packs remain sealed. Moisture barrier
Stability testing monitors Surf Excel powder quality over time.
Short beats. Regional distribution centers receive Surf Excel detergent powder from manufacturing facilities. Inventory is
Surf Excel removes the toughest stains with ease.
From carefully selected ingredients through advanced manufacturing to laundry rooms across the nation, this is how Surf Excel creates.
And that's how Surf Excel detergent powder is made. From carefully selected ingredients to the powerful cleaning pack you trust for your family's laundry.